Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Dell monitor. Carefully remove the monitor and accessories and ensure you have all the components. Place the monitor face down on a soft flat surface and attach the stand to the base by clicking or screwing it to place. Align the stand with the monitor's mounting slot and snap it into place. If using a VESA mount, attach the mounting plate to the back of the monitor instead. Choose the right cable based on the ports available on your monitor and computer. Then plug one end of the display cable into the monitor and the other into your computer. Plug the power cable into the monitor and connect it to a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn on the monitor. Just right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings, choose the correct resolution and adjust multiple display settings. Visit Dell's official website to download the latest drivers and install the drivers to enable all monitor features and optimize performance. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.